indoor garden, it is very, very sparse at the moment, but it will be full here in the next couple of weeks. Here are my clones, and you can see I just use a 1 gallon Ziploc bag and some squares with the soil, and then the vent cut in to the sides of the bag. And I keep them up here so that they get warmth and light. So, got a bunch of out of patent roses, the grapes. Here's the Nova elderberry. Honestly, have no idea what that plant is. I got it as a little leaf like that big, and now it's grown to there. Here's a Alcia. Here's a lemon that's not yet ready to transplant outside. Here's a this aloe vera is literally like 5 years old and it only has 1.5 leaves. Another Alcia there, and a double cup. It's a really small. This is the double bath cup that I'm experimenting with. Here's a bunch more clones down here, and here's my joke. This is the Agave in a tequila bottle. And here's a flowering maple. This is the one that was inside last night, and this is the one that was outside last night. They looked the exact same yesterday morning. And that's whatever temperature it got to, it was too much for or too low for this guy. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it for the indoor garden right now.